Hi, welcome back to English Danta with me, Ahesa. This time, in this video, I'm going to share to you about studying English for a dumb. But before we continue as usual, please click like and subscribe. Well, let's continue. Studying English for dumb. But before, I have a riddle for you. I have a question for you. Who is the most genius dumb? Do you know the answer? I'm telling you the answer. The most genius dumb is Dumbledore, because he's a professor. Not funny, yes. Okay. So what's the most important tips for dumb to study English? This is, remember, it's very important for you. The important tips for you: don't study English because you're such a dumb. Feel pity to your brain. No, don't study, man. Don't study. Okay? English for dumb. Belajar bahasa Inggris untuk dumb itu bodoh. Tolol ya. Bahasa kita tolol betolol gitu ya. Lah, tipsnya apa? Kagak usah belajar. Kagak usah belajar sian, otak lu sian. Ya. Lah, udah gak usah belajar. No, kidding, I'm kidding. Canda ya. I mean, you don't need to study, but watch my videos. Udah nonton aja video-video gua. Bisa dah bahasa Inggris. Lo mau tolol kayak apa ge ya, lo nonton video gua. Ya, bisa nanti gua bantuin. Subscribe makanya ya. Jangan belajar bahasa Inggris. Udah tolol sian ya. Nonton video gua aja, oke? Ya, dadah. Danta bet danta.